Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn breakfast foods. These are the most common foods people eat in the morning. Eggs, toast, cereal, bacon, and pancakes are very popular choices for breakfast. Eggs are a favorite breakfast food. People cook eggs in many ways like fried, boiled, or scrambled. Toast is sliced bread that is browned in a toaster or pan. Eggs and toast make a simple, healthy breakfast. Cereal is made from grains like corn or oats. You pour milk on cereal and eat it from a bowl. Bacon is thin slices of pork that become crispy when cooked. Both are classic breakfast choices. Pancakes are soft, round, flat cakes made from batter. People cook them on a hot pan and serve them with syrup or fruit. Pancakes taste sweet and feel fluffy in your mouth. Egg sounds like EGZ, the E sound is short like in bed. Toast sounds like TOST, the O sound is long like in boat. Practice saying these words slowly then faster. Butter is a yellow spread made from cream. You put butter on toast or bread. Milk comes from cows and is white. Jam is sweet fruit spread for bread. Fruit means apples, bananas, or oranges. Cereal sounds like SIREAL, the first sound is S like in sun. Bacon sounds like BAKEN, though a sound is like in cake. Say these words 3 times each. Ham is pink meat from a pig. Jam is the sweet fruit spread we learned before. Muffin is a small round bread that tastes good with butter. Orange juice is liquid squeezed from oranges. Croissant is a French pastry that is flaky and buttery. Sausage is ground meat shaped into links. Yogurt is thick milk that tastes tangy. Coffee is a hot brown drink from beans. You now know 10 important breakfast foods in English. Practice these words every morning when you eat. Next time you see these foods, say their English names. Great job learning today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.